Hello, good morning. My name is Luis. I collaborate with Spota Home, and now I show you this studio. This studio is in the Valencia city center, in the old part of Valencia. Have very close Plaza de la Virgen, Torres de Quart, Torres de Serrano. Have a lot of restaurants, shops, supermarkets. And now I show you the kitchen. In the kitchen you can find one sofa, one table, and the kitchen. In the kitchen you can find one microwave, dishwasher, and the fridge. Now I show you the bathroom. The bathroom have a toilet and the shower and the sink. And now I show you the bedroom. The bedroom has a double bed and the closet. In the bedroom you can find a TV, and you can see the street. Have a lot of restaurants. It's the city center of Valencia. This is all the studio. I hope when you come to Valencia, have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye.